Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. So what's really happening in the market? Yeah, the market was moving very nice yesterday. So before we continue, don't forget that we still have a boot camp, guys. You can join. So this is going to be like online sessions. We'll be starting once we reach 10 people. Then we'll be starting. It's only $30. But for those who wants to join, actually, our signals that you can post and then you can just WhatsApp me. Then I said lifetime for now is gonna be $150 if you want to join, but these other ones they will be just like that. So let's go straight to the market and see what's really happening on the market. We can see today we have some economic news. Let me open my pen or my pencil. So what we have today is job openings, consumer confidence. This might actually try to move the market. Remember, today's Tuesday, so this might move the market. Tomorrow we have preliminary GDP quarter over quarter. This will also actually try to push the market. Thursday, going further, we will also cover that and see. And this week actually is that NFP week. So it's NFP week. So we have to also check that the market might not actually play or move the way we want, or the market sometimes before high impact news. Just know that the market mostly will just consolidate because maybe they think maybe the market will be selling or maybe the market will be end up going up. But it seems like we will see maybe the NASDAQ trying to push to the upside. I think things that are now going back to normal. I think we're going to see US30, NASDAQ, gold all pushing to the upside. By the way, don't forget to smash that like if you already subscribed. If not, you can smash that subscribe button, and that actually helps the channel to grow, right? We are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? I think not much change here. You can easily see that, yes, the market is still pushing actually to the upside. I'm expecting a very nice push where we are. But this push actually is going to be a very, very, very long one. Actually, that can give us a very nice swing trade around this area. We already actually in a very nice profit. We did have a very nice buy. Remember, this is a daily time frame, so actually we need to go on 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. So you can easily see that, yes, where we are now, the market just touched our resistance, our support area. Then guess what? Now the market is trying to do what? To push the upside. Yes, we already entered this buy signal, but around this area, we know that even though we are actually on an uptrend, this area the market respected, so the market can just consolidate before pushing up. So don't panic when you see that. Or what you can do, you can say, okay, since I'm in profit, I can just get out. I will open another position maybe when the market breaks that area. That is also actually a good idea. You see, that's why I also placed a notification here. I just woke up early in the morning and it was actually in a very nice profit. So I will be expecting the market to do what? To continue from this, pushing to the upside, continuing here going up, but there is still a room for the market actually, so we might still see the market pushing even higher. So this might be a very good swing trade, or for those who don't know, I can say swing trade is like holding trade for more than a week, 2 weeks, or maybe even a month, something like that. I hope you understand that. So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? So since the market is, remember, we're going to talk about NASDAQ from now on. Sorry, about NFP from now on, because the market will be starting to react to that. For those who don't know, the market most likely will start to react to every economic news that we have. We will see the market is just going up, down, up, down. But after the news, things start to move very nice. So what do we see here on Euro USD? We can easily see that, yes, the market has been doing what? giving us some very nice push and some very nice structures pushing to the upside. So what do you expect from this area? I'm also expecting the market to push the upside if maybe the market doesn't really break out here. But this is a very stronger support. This is a very stronger support. So if we go closer on a 4 hours time frame, let's get we have to see what's really happening on 4 hours time frame. So let's see. So on 4 hours time frame, we can see that the market is actually giving us a wedge structure. You can see on top here we have this area that is pushing the market to go lower. On the bottom we also have a support. So this is a wedge structure, sort of a triangle. So what's happening here is, since we are actually on a bullish or uptrend, I'm waiting for a breakout. Once the market breaks out here, I will be looking actually to take some very nice buy positions. But the market actually seems to be trying to respect this resistance, but we can't just jump on the market just because we say this is a support area. We have to wait. Waiting is a skill. No, so many people, they can't actually wait. They always feel like maybe they will miss the trade. Hey, you will pay. If you don't really know how to wait, then you're gonna pay. So if you don't really want to draw a diagonal structure like that, you can also draw a horizontal one. I think around that area there is also something you can say. If the market breaks that, it's when you can jump in and start to buy. Maybe the market will end up breaking here. I'm not really sure about that, but I think if it breaks, we're gonna wait for the market to retest, do its thing before we jump on that sell. Today's Tuesday. Only 2 days left to go on that NFP, so there is enough room for the market to just play games. If we predict actually with the structure, I'm predicting that, I might be wrong obviously, I'm predicting that the market will actually act like this. The market will end up pushing higher like that, respecting this support area. Yeah, remind me on Friday. That, oh, Kenzo, you were wrong, or maybe you were right. So now let's go actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? Let's see what's really happening. We can all see that the market was doing what? The market was pushing up very nice. Boom. We see what? A breakout. So the question is the market actually going for a retest here, around here, or maybe the market will then push the upside? We have to see that. First, because here I don't really see this support making sense with this area. So which means we just have to wait for the market whether to reach this area of a resistance where the market broke out. Maybe that will push up. If not, maybe we'll see the market respecting that area, then pushing lower. But I think the market might actually push higher. I think maybe the market will end up pushing higher. The reason behind that is I think maybe NFP is going to disappoint at the end of the day, which means that might be in favor of anything against the dollar. That's what I'm thinking. And that's what I think about the structure. So what do we have here actually? It's like the market just retested. The market went lower aggressively. We never had any proper retest. I can see here another one. The market pushed there, but it seems like the market is going back around the same level there. So what we're going to do is, the market is actually creating a very slow uptrend. So it seems like maybe the market will reach this area. What will happen? We don't know. Maybe the market will break out, or maybe the market will respect this area and start to push the lower side. But I'm just expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. I'm expecting the market to push to the upside. We can also have something like this. That I think is going to be way too visible. Maybe if we go on a bit smaller time frame, like 1 hour, you can see that we have something like that actually. We have something like that on gold. On gold, we have something like this. So this actually helps us to say, yeah, the market can actually continue with that uptrend. What I think here is something like, you see, something like that continuing pushing to the upside. So for me to buy, yeah, even this area we can actually buy because it's above this resistance, but our resistance, which is very stronger, bit stronger, it's very closer, then it might push the market to go lower. So I rather wait for the market to break this area, this resistance, before I push to the upside, or maybe I will wait for the market to come around this support pushing to the lower side. So this area that I'm showing you actually, this area is that where the market actually broke out. Is this area is this one here. So for me, I think it's very closer. So we can wait for the market to break that. Then we can say, oh, it's time for us to do what? To jump on that buy. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? The market is still straightforward. Very, very, very. I like what I see here. It's not confusing. Everything is just straightforward. So your job is just to be just wait and relax. Even though the market is just playing games, as long as you understand that the market is pushing up, the market can play here, but as long as you are on the buy, just make sure your stop loss goes a little bit lower. Then you can just enjoy when the market is recovering. Mostly when the market recovers like this, we know very well, the market will end up doing what? The market will actually consolidate around that. So make sure that your stop loss is a bit lower. If maybe you're not using a bigger lot size, the market can play games, but at the end of the day, the market will end up pushing to the upside. Quite similar to here. Let me show you here. Just look at this area here. Just look at that. The market was just pushing up and down. Obviously, once the market started to push to the upside, obviously enough accounts, more than 80% of accounts, they were exhausted. So they were not going to enjoy or take this buy. Here, at least the market just went up and down, but at the end of the day, the market did push the upside. But if we go on a 4 hours time frame, that might change. You will see that, yeah, there was actually multiple candlesticks. Quite similar to now, the market actually, it's what? Oh, we are actually on this resistance. We are actually on a resistance. In the group, actually, the group that you're supposed to join, we have actually a long-term trade, which we expecting the market to come back around that area. Yes, the market might play games, but I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. So the entry was around this area. So obviously they are floating in profits if they are still holding. The market will just play games, but at the end of the day, the market will end up pushing to the upside. So that's what I see here. It's a smaller resistance that the market created a few days ago. So after this, obviously, we will have something like this. We will have a very nice buy, but the take profit should be higher. So we might not really reach this take profit, but the market will be going there. Maybe we will reach that next week, or maybe this Friday. We don't know. But I see the market pushing to the upside. I see the market trying to recover. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. On a daily time frame, maybe you can see what's really happening. Let's see what's really happening. Let's see. Okay, we have a very nice structure. It's NASDAQ 100, guys. It's NASDAQ. So you can see that, yes, the market has been actually showing us that, you know what, I'm pushing to the upside. I'm pushing to the upside. And this is another area that I think the market is trying to show us. I like this reversal here, guys, because after we had this aggressive push, we never had a proper reversal. And this one here makes sense. And that gives us confidence to say, you know what, maybe now is a good time for us to do what? To continue buying, to continue taking those buy trades. So if we go closer there, we can see that the market did play games around. The market did play games around here. But before that, the market did jump. Actually, you can see where the market reached. Then the market gave us another chance to do what? To go back on the market. Around these levels, guys, the market will still play games. The market will still play games. the market will still, even though we know that this is an uptrend, the market won't just make things easier for us. The market will actually create something like this. The market will end up moving like this. So don't really expect this type of moves every day. Sometimes yes, sometimes the market won't do that. So here I'm expecting something like this to push until we reach this area. So expect some reversal, but just know that we have to be in a buy. Reversals, they will be there, but at the end of the day, the market is going to go on this uptrend. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So yes, I'm still on a bullish momentum. Remember, if you still remember, if you were in the group, check my analysis. We actually started with this up buy around this area, and we said it's a swing trade. If you are in the group, you know what I'm talking about. Even though for some which they don't really follow swing trade, I keep giving them signals along the way. Like here, we actually have another buy because it was a resistance. So now the market wants to push the upside again aggressively. So we have another buy. If the market reverses, we will take another buy. But actually, this structure is just on a buy. Just know where to buy. It's actually on an uptrend. Just know where to place those buy positions so that you enjoy your bullish or your uptrend. Remember, we follow the trends, guys. We don't really go up and down trying to find some miracle. No, we just follow the trend. But what I like is this reversal was very aggressive. I'm expecting the same thing to happen on this actually push. I'm expecting to take out maybe around this area. Then I will think about maybe the market will reverse or maybe the market will push the upside. But I think for us to reach this area, NFP might push us. NFP might push us to go even higher. Anyways, besides making this video very longer, you can still be part of the team. $150 is actually 12 months, but for now you can just join that for lifetime. 6 months is actually $80, monthly is $45. Then as we have a boot camp online, a Forex trading boot camp. So whether you are a complete beginner or seasoned trader looking to refine your skills, our courses cater to all levels. 7 days online trading. Actually, we're gonna make that 2 weeks, which means it's gonna be 14 days. So this is going to be like whatever that you need to know, exactly what you need to know. And we're not actually going to push around the corners. We're just going to go straight to the point. How to be consistent, mostly trading emotion trading plans, the strategies, how to draw everything. But it's gonna be intense, guys. It's gonna be like, we have to learn, guys. If you know that maybe you are a trader and you're not making that much, or you're still struggling but you've been trading, or maybe you are still in your, but you just want to learn very quick, I think that can be a very good for you. Then yeah, just talk to me. But what I know is people, they don't really want to learn, but they just want to make money, which is opposite. So that, to me, it will be sort of shortcuts. Anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.